Hey guys, we are in Tyler, Texas. I know, weird, right? I'm out of DFW, but we work with agents all over the place. There's actually one right here. That's Brady. Say hi, Brady.
Hey.
So anyway, so we're working with him to market this property. This is 7105 Walden in Tyler, Texas. Beautiful house, custom house on a golf course, really cool community. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna turn the camera around and go in and take a look inside. So let me show you a couple of things. So this little balcony right here is an upstairs bedroom. This room is one of my favorite rooms, which I'll show you in a minute, the round one. This is our formal dining room. This is a media room. Could be a conference room. It's connected to an office. And that office and a media room, or conference room, as I like to call it, is accessible from the outside. So if you need to have meetings inside or anything with people, they don't bother the main house, which is pretty cool and pretty uncommon for this size of house. Usually that's in much bigger, larger houses. Got a porte-cochere, 2-car garage, and a 3rd car right there. So let's go in and take a look. The attention to detail on this house is really cool. All right, here we are at the front door. Get another look at the entrance up here. Ooh, look at the shiplap. Love that. And here we are. This is a cool house. Custom built. Anyways, just let me show you what it has to offer. It's a really cool house with a ton of detail. You might look at it and go, you know what? It's kind of dark, but when we look around, all you really need to do is the paint. Because if you take this paint down, now if this is your style, then it's ready to go. But this has like a 2-tone, I forgot what that's called, but you take that down a little bit with one color and it would change the look of the entire house. So keep that in mind as we're walking around. Formal dining room, looking off the front of the house. This right here is one of my favorite rooms, which I'll show you in a minute. This glass is one of my favorite walls. Look at that. I'll show you that too. Let's go over here first. So this is something you don't normally see in homes like this. So we have an office and we have it's really formally set up to be a media room, but it has a really cool feature. So this is the media room. This could also be a conference room. And why do I say conference room? Because this is a door to the outside and this is the office. So if you have to have meetings at home and you have to have people come by, they come in this door to this office, to that conference room, and you can have meetings without bothering your family over here. And you can do a bunch of that media room. It could be a media room, it could be a conference room, it could be another office, it could be a production area. Maybe you make something at home, or maybe it's a video studio. Y'all know I do a lot of video. It could be a video studio, it'd be a really good video studio. So anyways, that's that. That goes to the porte-cochere area and the motor court and all that. Butler's pantry here. So I have that was me. We have a place for a wine fridge there, here. Beautiful woodwork throughout. This is open, I like this. So if you have like hors d'oeuvres or snacks or buffet, you have space there. The primary suite is over here. There's another suite back there that I'll show you. This is the main living room. Trying to get that outside exposed properly. This room, it's really hard to show you this room without, what am I trying to say? Show you this room and how grand it is, because it looks smaller on a video and on photos. Look at this. Let me show you a couple angles. Okay. Large kitchen, 2 sinks. So you have a prep sink, you have a primary sink, or however you want to use them. Really large bar area. So this is bar height. You can put a ton of chairs around there, or you can just come up and snack on your hors d'oeuvres. Just a massive amount of detail. We have a pantry here that goes outside. Little eat-in kitchen here, but it doesn't have to be an eat-in kitchen. you can have that. You can rearrange your whole living room if you wanted to. Change that up. I'm gonna show you the outside last, as I always do. Here's another. This is access to the 2-car. There's also a 1-car, and I'll show you that in a minute. We have another full bed and bath here. It's really set up like a second master. So we have our sink, we have our shower, we have our toilets, large walk-in closet. Let's spin around. This is real private over here. So this just is our, you have a higher ceiling there with the retaining wall. That's the side yard. All right, what have we not shown yet? Another little area right here, kind of built in for your china and things like that. Get another angle of this. It's so hard to see how cool this space is without being here. So you gotta come see it in person. All right, let's go check out the primary suite. Also has access to the patio and the pool, as you can see there. You have built-ins right there. Beautiful ceiling work up top. Bathroom. So you have dual sinks with a vanity, large soaking tub, really large master closet. Look at that. You have clothes, we have room, or shoes, or whatever. Put like a library ladder in here that rotates around, that would be cool. Another sink, I like the symmetry. I like the drawers. Drawers are really important. A lot of people are adding a lot of drawers in their masters because drawers seem to be more useful than cabinets, but a lot of people just do cabinets. There's our walk-in shower. More built-ins over here. Got a water closet. All right, now let me show you this front room that I love. It's hard to explain why I like this room so much. First off, it's symmetrical. Oh, another bathroom right here, powder bath. And this room is cool. So this room, it's not round, it's, let's see, it's octagonal, right? Eight sides, which is just super cool, but it's really symmetrical. Beautiful ceiling. It goes all the way up there. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but these go up at an angle. This room you can do a ton with. Look at all the light. So this is the, if you're facing the house, this is the right side of the house. These windows kind of face off the front of the house. That's the access to the golf course and the little lake area. This is kind of pointing out towards the motor court and the driveway area. But this room is cool. So a couple of things you can do with this room. You can keep it as a formal living room, which I love. You could turn it into like a card room. You could turn it into a, what else could you do with this? It could be an office. Ooh, it'd be a really cool office. But my wife wouldn't let me go here because I'm too messy. Anyways, I love this room. Okay, I guess I should probably show you the rest of the house. All right. And then we're gonna go upstairs, but before we go upstairs, let me get the angle. Look at that beautiful stonework. These are single pieces, except for this one. These are single pieces of stone all the way across. And look at that, look at the stone there. That has like a jade in it or something. I don't know stones, but that has like a green. Very, very pretty. So, before we go upstairs, just look at this. If you like this color scheme, fantastic. If you're wanting something a little bit more neutral, there's not a ton of work to be done, in my opinion. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, guys, let's go check out upstairs. Look at this beautiful stairs. So this is imported marble in a solid piece. Look at that. How cool is that? And beautiful there as well. Just a ton of detail in this house. All right, so let me get up to here and I'll kind of show you around. So we have our upstairs living room here. Got our view of the pool, which is gorgeous. Look at that glass. You can barely see it. That is a walk-in attic space. We do have spray foam insulation. Let me show you that. That's awesome. And that, you're immediately saving money on your heating and cooling, especially being in Texas. So, beautiful dome up here. Tons of detail in this house. There's another bedroom. This looks off the front of the house. So we get out there with a little balcony. Tall ceilings. Full bathroom with a shower. Let me show you off this this area right here. Very pretty. Let's see if there we go, we're unlocked. And if you look closely, let me get y'all straight real quick. If you look closely, right there, you have the golf course and the water. And then I'll show you at the end of the video, we're gonna go down this little golf course path, and I'm gonna show you more of what's to offer in this really cool community in Tyler, Texas. All right, let's go back inside. It's hot. Lock that up. Why is my camera wants to show you the ceilings, which they are pretty. I also want to show you everything else. Okay, here's our upstairs living room, sitting area. We do have some people in the house that don't mind the chatter. Got a little sink here, a little wet bar. Patio, I'll show you that in a second. Another bedroom with a ton of really, really pretty woodwork. You got a shower tub combo right here with a nice, looks like a jetted tub. Hey guys, look at this granite. Just very pretty. Tall ceilings up here too. All right. See, so we have tall doors. I want to say those are 8-foot doors. In the top, which is pretty rare when it comes to 2-story houses, even higher end houses. Closet space. And then another patio. This one overlooks the pool. And here I want to show you something about the pool that you might not see from ground level. So big patio, great place to eat out here or entertain or whatever you want to do. Check out this pool. It's heart-shaped. Look at that. See? Whoop, there's one side and there's the other side. And you have a 0 depth entry and a lot of gorgeous tile all around here. And that's those glass windows that we showed you in the living room. And underneath we have I'll show you those at the end, but we have a outdoor kitchen. We have a patio, it's covered. It's very pretty. So let's jump downstairs to the patio. I was passing by this and didn't even notice. Look at that. That's the attention to detail in this house. That's the doorbell. And it matches. It matches so well you can't even see it. How cool is that? All right, guys, here's one of my favorite parts. Well, minus the golf course. This is the outdoor lounge. Well, the outdoor anything. So got a couple speakers, got a ton of lights up here, a couple fans, got a grill, huge fireplace, plenty of sitting area. Kind of loop you around so you see the full area. So this is the covered patio. Then we have plenty of other places to sunbathe or to lay out. These are those glass again. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Look at that. I love that. It's probably my favorite part of the house. Sorry, I keep saying favorite part of the house, but I can have multiple favorites, right? So here's the pool. We also have plenty of room. We've got some dogs to run around or animals to run around out here. Got plenty of space over here for the dogs. And let's go check out the other side. The clouds are perfect today for a video. Nice and fluffy. Doesn't really keep the sun away from me, but more room over here. Just a pretty, pretty house. You can tell that the builder of this, as well as the homeowners, or the people who helped design it, the architecture, really knew what they were doing. It's a really nice floor plan. All right, now we're gonna hop on the golf cart and I'm gonna show you, and Brady, we're gonna show you a little bit about what the community has to offer. Okay, one more thing. So kitchen, ooh. I couldn't have timed that better. Oh, I love a grandfather clock. And it's a perfect place for one. I bet you they built this house in that space for that clock. Anyways, back to this, cars. So butler's pantry to our left, laundry to our left, kitchen to our right, and then here is our little motor court area slash porte-cochere. So we have garage there, porte-cochere, and then we have two more garages right here. So that's the left side of the house if you're facing there, and that's the front side. All right, so here we are. This is Brady.
Hey.
We're gonna go check out the, there's a little lake behind this house. There's a golf course.
Yeah, so one of the greatest things about the location here on this is just your access to all the amenities of the country club. And really, you don't even have to be a member of the country club just to access this beautiful lake, this little Hollytree lake here, and this walking trail. I mean, this walking trail goes all the way up to the left. There's a little dock over there, turtles, and it goes all the way to the right where in the mornings, if you wanted to take a walk and get some exercise in, you can have the view of the lake. You'll often see kids out here fishing from time to time. So if you had some need to have your grandkids over to take them fishing, they could access this lake and do that without even being a member of the club. But if you wanted to be a member of the club, you also have access to the golf course. I mean, jump in your golf cart from the house.
Yeah, this is really cool.
And
you can be on the course so fast.
Got a code to the gate. And that just gets us into driving some golf balls. You want to come over here and practice your swing, you can do that. And it's just such a beautiful place, a peaceful place to be, and literally within minutes you can come and grab a burger or a steak here at the clubhouse. If you've got kids, there's swimming, there's tennis. The clubhouse 3 nights a week, Thursday night, Friday night, and Saturday night, offers free childcare. So if you wanted to hit that date and have the children come up here for a babysitting night, you can drop them off here for a couple hours so you and your wife can
really cool
take some time out.
That's a pretty course. Well, I forgot to close it out. So in the description or in the comments or somewhere below, you'll be able to get the information on the listing. Any questions you have, go to jordanbellinger.com and go to contact me. You can contact me there. And if you'd like to take a look, let me know, and we'll get Brady out there to show you the property. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.